in this subsector. I now turn to climate change mitigation and adaptation. Mr. Speaker, the climate change has become a pressing issue globally. Like other economies, Kenya economy is vulnerable to its ravaging impacts. Indeed, we have just come out of the worst drought in 40 years, which has claimed lives of people and livestock, while at the same time threatened the livelihoods of millions of Kenyans. Given our vulnerability to climate change, it is imperative that we build a more climate resilient economy. For this reason, the government has stepped up climate adaptation and mitigation efforts, including green energy, smart agriculture, decarbonized manufacturing, e-mobility, and green building. All these are aimed at the attainment of zero carbon by 2050. The government has committed to secure our future and to achieve a clearer and safer environment for all Kenyans by reducing greenhouse emissions, halting and reversing deforestation, biodiversity loss, and land degradation. In this regard, issues of climate change, mitigation, and adaptation have been mainstreamed in all government programs and across all levels of government. As part of drought mitigation measures and the climate adaptation program, the government is implementing a national tree planting campaign which is championed by His Excellency the President and seeks to enhance our national tree cover from 12% to 30% by year 2032. This will entail planting at least 15 billion trees over that period. Mr. Speaker, climate financing has emerged as a very important means of implementation of climate change and for promoting sustainable development and financial sector development. To enhance financial flows from the Green Climate Fund, GCF, the government will continue to implement National Green Climate Fund strategy, which provides an elaborate framework of coordinating and attracting resources from the Green Climate Fund. The government will also implement financing locally led climate action, we call it FROCA, program in collaboration with county governments and development partners to manage climate risks. Further, to support our climate change efforts and characterize additional climate finance from other official and private partners, we have agreed with the IMF on a new 20-month resilience sustainability facility arrangement that will run in parallel with the current program arrangement until April 2025. Mr. Speaker, the government last year